In this video, we will discuss about Coagulase test. Coagulase test differentiate Staphylococcus aureus from other Coagulase negative species. Coagulase is an enzyme produced by Staphylococcus aureus. It is one of the important virulence factor. This coagulase enzyme, which bring about clotting of human or rabbit plasma, it required the coagulase reacting factor for its action. Guinea pig and other few animals, they don't have coagulase reacting factor, so we cannot use the plasma of these animals. This enzyme cannot record calcium and other clotting factor. So 8 type of coagulase has been identified. Most of the human strain from coagulase type A. Let's see how coagulase will act. Coagulase along with the coagulase reacting factor will act like a prothrombin. This prothrombin complex will convert fibrinogen into fibrin. Now this fibrin will be seen as a clot. So it acts as a clotting agent. This Staphylococcus aureus produced two forms of coagulase. So coagulase occur in two forms, free coagulase and bound coagulase. Free coagulase can be detected by tube coagulase test. Bound coagulase can be detected by slide coagulase test. First, we will discuss this bound coagulase, slide coagulation test. How we will do? We will take a slide. We will do marking. T stand for test, C stand for control. Here, we are placing a drop of saline in both circle. Here both circle place a drop of normal saline. Then take a colony by using applicator stick. Then we will mix. Then take a drop of undiluted pooled human plasma in the circle C. Here this circle we are placing human plasma. Then C circle we are placing normal saline. After that we will rotate that slide. After waiting for 10 to 15 seconds, we will observe the result. Clumping or clot indicate positive, otherwise negative. So how we will do? We will take a slide. First circle test sample, this one is the control. Here what we will do, saline plus colony plus human plasma. Here saline plus this colony plus again saline only. So after 10 to 15 seconds we observe the result. Agglutination indicate positive, otherwise negative. Here this saline control will give smooth and milky. Second method, tube agglutination test. How to do the tube coagulation test? First, prepared diluted plasma 1:6. How to prepare? We will take a container, 5 ml of normal saline and 1 ml of freshly prepared human pooled plasma. Finally, dilution 1:6. Okay, this one, normal saline 5 ml, 1 ml plasma. Okay, this dilution 1:6. First, we will prepare this dilution. After that, we will take a small amount of colony by using inoculation loop. Then we will add it to a test tube. That test tube containing 0.5 ml saline or plasma. Then we will take 0.5 ml of diluted plasma. So in this test tube containing 0.5 ml saline or plasma, then here we will inoculated colony. Then we are adding 0.5 ml of diluted plasma. Then incubated 4 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. After that we will observe the result. Clotting indicate positive, otherwise negative. If the test is negative at 4 hours, then should incubate at room temperature overnight and read after 18 hours. So this one is the tube coagulation test. Now examples of this coagulase test. First one is both slide and tube coagulase positive organism. Both test are positive organism, Staphylococcus aureus. Then slide coagulase positive test Staphylococcus lugdunensis. Then Staphylococcus strawberry subspecies Sleeberry. Then coagulase tube test positive organism. This Staphylococcus hicus, Staphylococcus delbini, then Staphylococcus intermedius, then Staphylococcus Staphylococcus sleeberry subspecies coagulans. So these are the example of coagulase positive organism, both positive in Staphylococcus aureus.